If you motovlog and you've had troubles with your audio, then stick around, because in this video I'll share with you over 10 different ways to get better audio for motovlogging. Hi, my name is Vinny and thanks for stopping by. If you like motorcycle or motovlogging related content, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now this video has taken me a while to make. I had to fiddle around with 5 different microphones, a GoPro, a voice recorder, and to top it up, I mean, my editing skills are not that great either. And I've done this for 2 main reasons. One is because when I'm motovlogging, audio has always been a big pain for me. And 2, because I wanted to end this once and for all and find the best solution for me and share it with you guys. So if you find any value in this video, and if you like the video, then make sure to give me a thumbs up. It'll mean a lot. Alright, let me share all the things that I've used for this video, and please do not get overwhelmed with the things I'm going to share with you. Later on in the video, you will see that you can actually get decent audio, and audio that you can actually use in the videos quite cheaply. Alright, the first thing I used was a purple Panda mic. The second thing I used was a power DeWise mic. Third mic I used was this Sony ECM, I think that's what it's called, a lapel mic. The fourth mic I've got is this little mic over here, and that's part of a Sena S20 headset. The fifth mic I used was a generic headphone with a microphone. So for this video I used a headset microphone from my PS4, and with the Sony PS4 headset I couldn't put a dead cat on the mic, so I had this material which sort of looks like a dead cat material to go over the mic. And I tried all these external microphones with my Tascam DRO5 voice recorder. And the last thing I used was obviously my new GoPro Hero 10. Now you can use any GoPro that you have. If you've got 5, 6 or 7, then you will need to get an adapter that sort of allows you to connect the external microphone in. Or if you've got GoPro Hero 8, 9 or 10, then you'll need media mod to go with that. Now the media mod for my GoPro Hero 10 is from GoPro Hero 9. So the GoPro Hero 9 media mod is also compatible with GoPro Hero 10. Now because I'm doing testing with a lot of different microphones and voice recorder and GoPro and all that sort of stuff, I might have to do a bit of a voiceover on some of the videos just to sort of explain to you guys what am I trying to do with the microphones and the voice recorder and so on. Alright, with that said, let's jump on the bike. This is how the Sony lapel mic sounds like with a GoPro Hero 10. I had to adjust the volume levels when I was editing this video on the mics that were directly connected to the GoPro, because the GoPro Hero 10 or any other GoPro for that matter doesn't come with a setting where you can actually adjust the gain levels. This is what the Sony lapel mic sounds like with Tascam DRO5. And the gain level is set at 8. This is what the purple Panda mic sounds like with my GoPro Hero 10. This is going to be my go-to setup for vlogging, so hope it sounds alright. Now usually this purple Panda mic doesn't crackle as much as what you can see in this video. I mean, it's a great little mic and I've used it many times before.
Cheers, mate. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, I will do, mate. Thanks for that. Cheers. Righto, he was a nice man. Advice from the old man. Watch out for the idiots out there. Yep. I will, mate. I will. Don't you worry. Anyways, this is the purple Panda mic with my Tascam DRO5. Purple Panda mic is basically suggested by every single motovlogger that I've seen, so hopefully this sounds good. The guy was just telling me about the cops ahead. Look, I haven't done anything wrong, so I shouldn't be worried about anything. But I'm just going to stop here and sort of take a few photos and move ahead. This is what the power device mic sounds like with GoPro Hero 10. This is the test for power device mic on GoPro Hero 10. Power device mic is actually very similar to the Purple Panda mic, but it just feels a lot better. Like the build quality and stuff is a lot better than the Purple Panda. So again, it'll be interesting to see what this sounds like. This is the test for power device mic on Tascam DR05. This is what the power device mic sounds like with the external voice recorder. Now, like I said, I'm really looking forward to listening to this audio because this is going to be my backup in case something happens to my Purple Panda mic. This is the test for Sena S20 mic. This is what the Sena mic sounds like. Now, I'm not exactly sure of the model number of this mic. I think it was 20S or 20C or something like that. There was definitely a 20 in there. But I bought this mic just to try it out and use it as a Motovlog mic because I mean, this is a custom mic made for motorcycle Bluetooth headsets, so I thought that it would work better. But you know, last couple of videos that I've done with this mic hasn't really come out that well, but I just wanted to show you guys what this mic would actually sound like. The only problem with this mic is that it comes with 2.5mm jack, and to make it work with GoPro Hero 10 or any camera for that matter, you have to buy an adapter for it. So the adapter would be the 2.5mm to 3.5mm adapter, but then you can't actually find a 3.5mm adapter with just TRS capability. And most of you would know that on the GoPro or on you know, your DSLR cameras and stuff, you have to have the TRS connector. And to tackle that issue, I had to sort of get a cable which would convert the normal 3.5mm jack to the TRS jack, which would work with the GoPro Hero 10 or any other camera. I mean, look, this is not the easiest setup that I've done. I made a couple of vlogs with this sort of setup earlier, and I got comments with people telling me that when they wear a headset, they could only hear it from one side of their headset. So I'm not really sure what happened there, because technically with all the connectors and the cables and everything, it should work fine. And another thing I've done on this mic is I've put that dead cat kind of fabric just on top of the mic, just so that, you know, we can block that wind noise even more. Even though this mic has been specifically designed to be used in the helmets like mine, but I just thought I'll put that dead cat fabric on it and see if it makes any difference. And sorry about making a vlog on a road like this. I know this is not the most attractive place to make a vlog, you know, all the construction site and stuff, but unfortunately this is what I have to pass to get to a beach. Hopefully this construction will be done in the next few months and I will not have to deal with this. This is what the Sena mic sounds like with Tascam DR05. Well, that was a bit embarrassing, trying to merge in the road and the bike sort of stalled. What are you, mate? You're riding your bike for the first time or what? Oh, the bloody 40 speed and the road works, it is so annoying. But I guess they gotta do the road works to make the roads better. Oh, anyways, this is the Sena mic with my Tascam DR05. So yeah, this is what it sounds like. The interesting thing will be to see if the audio still comes out from just one side. But this is the test for the Sena mic. So if you were planning to buy this mic and sort of retrofit it to make your mic for the helmet, then this is what it sounds like. Hope it helps. One more thing I had to do with the Sena mic is I had to sort of raise the gain level on the dash cam a little bit more, because when I was sort of doing a test, I could see the bars barely moving on the level 8, so I raised it to 15, and this is what it sounds like when it is at level 15. This is the test for the headphone microphone cheap sort of audio setup, and I'm recording it on my Samsung Galaxy S21, I believe I've got. This in the past has been my least favorite setup ever. Now what I've done is I've taken the PS4 headphone, which has got a mic inbuilt in that, and that's used for gaming and all that sort of stuff. And honestly, I mean, I don't use that mic at all with my PS4, so I just thought I'll give it a go. And I tried it like a few years back, and it was just absolutely rubbish. It was crackling in the helmet and that sort of stuff, so I couldn't get any audio from it. I hope I've done the right thing this time. So I've put like a dead cat fabric all around it, and it's all covered nicely. I've sort of put it inside my cheek pad just so that, you know, all the wind that's coming into the helmet can be blocked somehow. And I've seen a few motovloggers do this. I mean, if this works, then I'm not really sure how I should feel. Should I be happy that it's finally worked for me, or should I be like, shit, you know, I'll spend all this money on buying these external microphones and the dash cam, the voice recorder and all that sort of stuff, and in the end this the cheapest setup has actually worked the best for me. I don't know, we'll see in the edits how it works. Yeah, I mean, this should be the real test. I'm on 80 kilometers an hour, so let's see if it works.
Now obviously this is not the best motovlog setup out there, but you can still use it. I mean, it's cheap and it kind of works. You can kind of hear what I'm saying. You can't hear any sound from the exhaust of my bike. I'm not sure why that's the case. It must be, you know, the microphone must be set to not pick up too much ambient noise.
Alright, now I've tested almost every microphone that I have. Hopefully one of the microphone setups you guys will like, so just comment below, tell me what it is. Now before I end the video, I also want to test the microphone that's built in the media mod. So what I've done is I've set up the microphone at the back. It's got 3 settings, and I'm using the one at the back right now. So when you're vlogging, you can actually set it up to go on the front, the back, or you can use both sides. Now I've set it up on the back because any wind coming in from the front will not or should not affect the sound quality. But let's see how it goes.
By the way, I had the wind blocker on when I was recording this part of the video, and honestly I am impressed. I mean, I'm so impressed by the audio quality that comes out of the media mod by itself, just with the wind blocker. And if you were just recording the sound from your bike, the sound from your exhaust, it would have been absolutely perfect. Now obviously it's not picking up any of my vocals, which is understandable. I mean, my mouth is sort of behind the helmet and the microphone is sort of attached just outside the helmet, and I've obviously got my visor closed. That's the reason why you can't hear anything what I'm seeing.
Alright, now one final test. I've taken the wind muff off, and let's see how it sounds like when I'm riding my bike. Again, the microphone set up to the back of the media mod. Now I'm sorry guys, I know this video is going to be pretty long, but I just thought I'll test everything in one video, just so that if you guys had any questions, you know, all of them can be answered in just one video. Plus honestly, I wanted to do this experiment for a while now, because I've been testing a few different things, so I just thought I'll make the video.
Okay, now Now without the wind blocker, the audio quality is absolutely terrible. You can hear that wind noise and you can't really use it, so forget about that. Well, I hope you liked this video, and comment below and tell me which one was your favorite. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all next time. Ride safe. Bye.